concern over expired products in the country. These stories and more, plus sports and entertainment are lined up in this edition of Weekend News. Please stay with us if you can. Those were the headlines, and now for the full newscast with me, Dennis Fraser, and I'm glad indeed you could join us tonight. We begin with the 175th anniversary of the Methodist Christ Church. Now, 175 years ago, a beacon of faith was born in the heart of Freetown, known as Christ Church Parish, Pademba Road in Freetown. In commemoration of this celebration, a Thanksgiving service was held at the church premises on the theme, "One generation shall praise your works unto another." This is to celebrate God's faithfulness in a unique way and to express thanks and appreciation for bringing them thus far. Our intern, Esther Suzanette Bassi, witnessed the service and filing this report read in our studio by Christiana Kamara.
Christ Church Parish was founded on the 10th October in the year 1849. It has served as a cornerstone for the Freetown Anglican Communion. It has historical records of providing divine guidance for its community and the nation. The Thanksgiving service was preceded by a march past with members dressed in colorful uniform attires. The celebration was graced by well-wishers and members from different circuits to support fundraising activities. The ceremony also saw the unveiling of the newly completed Christ Church Hall, dedicated by the head of the Anglican Church, Bishop Thomas Wilson. The chairperson of the 175th Anniversary Committee, Austina Pierce, recounted the journey towards the success of the anniversary.
We thank God as a church and as a family for this celebration. The journey has not been easy. When you think about the constraints in the country and all that we've been through as a nation and also as a church, whatever happens in the nation creeps in into the church. So we struggled as a church to have great success. But we want to thank God because in all of this, the finger of God was upon this celebration, and today the climax, we want to say thank you to the Father, to the Son, and to the Holy Spirit.
Vicar Warden Emeritus Davison Peters John, who is also the past president of the Committee of Gentlemen of the Church, highlighted achievements made over the years.
Over the years, I've tried to improve this church spiritually. We have also been able to look at properties of the church and also to improve the properties of the church, of which the hall is a testimony to what we have been doing. And these are all good indicators in the church. And we have been taking care well of our clergymen. As you see, the new car is being commissioned for the vicar to use for the service of the church. So as a church, it has constantly been improved over the years.
This 175 years of existence is a testament of the faith and resilience of the Anglican Communion.
And now in our diplomatic news tonight, African Diplomatic Corps welcome Ambassador Frances Anderson to Turkey. Assures her of good teamwork, Dr. Frances Virginia Anderson has taken the position of Sierra Leone's ambassador designate to Turkey. Talking on behalf of the Dean of the ADC, Nuzria Tiperu, Ambassador of the Republic of Uganda to Turkey, welcomed Ambassador Anderson, saying that they were excited to have her in their midst and that the ADC works to project the interest of the Africa agenda in Turkey. Dr. Frances Virginia Anderson appreciated the ADC and described their service to Africa as an exceptional representation. She also thanked the staff of the Embassy of Sierra Leone in Ankara. saying that the spirit of cooperation displayed at our welcome gathering was inspiring. Ambassador Anderson expressed optimism in the staff members while urging them to continue the teamwork. And our story celebrating the World Food Day. As part of celebration marking World Food Day in line with supporting the government's agenda, over 5 communities at various locations within Freetown have been provided with food items by the Premium Divine Trading Company. This is a move to assist the poor to live a good life. Mohamed Lamin Toure has the detail.
This activity by the Premium Divine Trading Company at Lumley and Wazak communities respectively was part of observing World Food Day. This is meant to assist the poor to enjoy a sense of belonging. Many destitutes are out there in the streets depending on other able to assist them achieve living standard for survival. To celebrate the day, the company provided food to people in the market areas as a way of providing a meal to people in observance of the day. The National Marketing Group Officer Amidu Kena described the event as part of their many activities undertaken by the company to provide their products free of charge, and the company used their cooking products to feed people as a way of observing the day.
We targeted 5 communities for this celebration. We started at Waterloo. From Waterloo, move on to Rokel. From Rokel, Jue. From Jue, Shell, and of course, Lumley and Wazak.
He continued that the company has been very keen on honoring its corporate social responsibility and that over the years it has contributed tremendously to national building. Beneficiaries thanked the company for providing them with a meal for the day. SLBC News, Mohamed Lamento reporting.
And now to a sad story now of the demise of one of our very own here at the SLBC. The mortal remains of the former news reader and announcer of the Sierra Leone Broadcasting Service and Corporation, Charles Kanu, has been laid to rest. A well-attended funeral service at the Bethesda West African Methodist Church is a testament of his human church and service to his church. Charles served in various capacities at the West African Methodist Church, where he displayed dedication to duty. He contributed immensely towards the growth and development of the West African Methodist Men's Organization, Bethesda Progressive Group, Youth Fellowship, and Men's League, among others. At the Sierra Leone Broadcasting Corporation, SLBC, Charles Kanu could be remembered for his knack in news delivery and presentation of public service announcements. He was also an employee of the Ministry of Finance, where he recently prompted in the store's development. Charles Kanu will be missed by his wife and children, including members of the Sierra Leone Broadcasting Corporation. And may his soul rest in perfect peace. Now, following his academic achievement as one of the top performers in the 2024 West African Senior Secondary Certificate Examinations, or WAS, scoring an impressive 6 A1s, SLBC examines the success story of the Deputy Senior Prefect of St. Edward's Secondary School in Freetown, Alpha Bar. The school also has over 5 pupils who were among the top individuals' outstanding performance. And Sumana Kagbo compiled this report, which was read in the studio by me.
In recent years, private schools have been dominating public exams in the country, including WAS, which is the gateway to university. But St. Edward's Secondary School is changing the narrative by putting yet again an outstanding performance in the 2024 WAS exam. The school is no doubt known for academic excellence.
The 2024 WAS results have been a moment of celebration for St. Edward's Secondary School. The school's Deputy Senior Prefect Alpha Bar's achievement stood out as a testament to his dedication, hard work, and academic excellence. Alpha got 6 A1s in the 2024 WAS, making him the second best performer across the country. This underscores his proficiency, which has brought Lawrence to the school. But what was the secret behind his success? Alpha explains.
My success story is nothing less than hard work, dedication, blessing, and prayer.
He expressed his gratitude to his teachers, family, and fellow students for their support.
I'm really happy because I was being assisted and also a little support from my private tutor, my school teachers. I'm really happy because I was being assisted and also given an opportunity to educate my fellow young ones as an Edwardian.
Alpha's dad and other family members were delighted for his outstanding performance, which has placed him among the brightest young minds in Sierra Leone.
I feel so happy we can second. When we start to go to school, it is between the first and second up to today.
I feel glad and I've been expectant for do so. Because Napos will always inspire me and always aspire for great some things. Napos in daily life na study. All but on a book. From morning to night your book for study. And because it aspire for get great things, always it get them. So I'm not shocked. I'm even expecting for get the first position. But I'm really glad because it making family proud and it make me and small sister proud. Because you don't give me the zeal for make I even get more than the A's we get.
Eustace Wajuku John is the principal of the SSS. He said Alpha's achievement was not a surprise to them, noting that Alpha and his colleagues were well prepared by the school.
So it was no surprise to us and to the teachers because the teachers have been working tirelessly to prepare these boys.
Teachers and pupils expressed confidence that the school will regain its past glory.
Performance of the students, we are very happy as staff members. In fact, it has given us more zeal to teach them.
St. Edward's is known for greatness. It's just that it's just a little disturbance that we are happening along the line. But I know St. Edward's is known for this. We are always going to do the best.
Alpha Bar's success has brought pride to his school community, known for its commitment to nurturing well-rounded students with a strong focus on discipline and intellectual growth. The performance of the school in the 2024 WAS speaks to the series of reforms and transformation that the school had undergone over the years and continue to make steady progress in the education sector. Still an excellent performance by young people. Fortiso Technologies, pioneered by Alex David Pratt, has emerged the grand champion of the Da Vinci Pitch Night and Hackathon contest by the Christex Foundation, walking home with the star prize of a whopping $3,000 United States dollars. According to the founder of Christex Foundation, Colin Ogo, the foundation was looking forward to building a thriving ecosystem which was open to collaborate with other MDAs in expanding the digital space. Here is the report. The scene depicts a remarkable moment of wild emotions as the Fortiso Technologies team announced the grand champion of the Da Vinci Pitch Night and Hackathon contest. Earlier on, the team and a host of other young people who were standing up to societal challenges not only presented brilliant ideas as solutions, but were poised to take them head-on with innovation and technical competence.
Healthcare providers can seamlessly access the health histories of the patient.
Eat for me, I'm not saying he wouldn't have died, but at least he would have gotten some funds to further the...
Participants were also tasked to leverage on societal problems with their innovative problem-solving ideas and also through a network of like minds. After being tested and proven, this in turn will attract bankable reward.
We thank God. Yes, God made it happen because apart from our efforts, if not for His help, there were other more brilliant ideas, but I believe God was the one who just really helped us out. And the first is a no-code chatbot builder. That is to say, a platform that helps you to create a chatbot that you could be able to use for your business.
According to the founder of Christex Foundation, Colin Ogu, a young Sierra Leonean striving to give hope to young people through investment in innovation and the use of modern technology trends. His intention was to build a thriving tech ecosystem driven by young people in the country. He expressed aspirations to collaborate with other MDs in embracing the digital space.
We spent time at university, spent money, but now to go into the world and earn money from what they've studied, the chances are slim. Have worked with other communities, have worked with parts of the government of Sierra Leone. So the organization you mentioned, we actually do work quite closely with them. Mokti is another one that we work quite closely with. So I'm more of an open book. I'm willing to help.
Youth hackathons create environments where young voices are heard and valued, resulting in products and solutions that resonate deeply with software engineering, blockchain technology, product design, and many more. The participants do not only develop innovative ideas, but also gain valuable skills in problem solving and collaboration. SLBC, Dennis Fraser reporting. You are watching Weekend News Live on the SLBC. The news continues. Some consumers and business people have shared their experiences when purchasing products. While some said they always check the expiring dates before buying, others admitted that they don't often do so to certain circumstances. Our intern reporter Esther Nenekama filing this report get in the studio by Mohamed Simbikuruma. Apologies for that. We do hope to bring you that in a subsequent news edition. But for now, we'll take a pause on our main news items and go in for our segments within the news, beginning with the international news.
Hello and welcome to International News with me, Cynthia Kaman. Israeli forces in Gaza has killed Hamas leader Yahya Sinwar, a chief architect of last year's attack on Israel that sparked the war, the military said Thursday. Troops appear to have run across him unknowingly in a battle, only to discover afterwards that a body in the rubble was Israel's most wanted man. Israeli leaders celebrated his killing as a settling of scores just over a year after Hamas-led militant killed some 1,200 people in Israel and kidnapped 250 others in an attack that stunned the country. Netanyahu has said Israel will keep fighting until all the hostages were free and that it will keep control over Gaza long enough to ensure Hamas will not rearm, an effective occupation that raises the possibility of months or even years of continued fighting. An explosion impacting a restaurant facing the camp, where Somali soldiers and police officers were stationed. At least 7 people were killed and 6 others were injured at a cafe located near a police training facility in the capital Mogadishu, Somalia, after a suicidal bomber set off an unknown device, as reported by the police on Thursday. The police stated that victims included both officers and civilians who were having tea outside the General Kahiri Police Academy on Thursday. Dizan Ahmed, an eyewitness and a survivor, said there were people who found the suicide bomber suspicious due to the item he was carrying, questioning his intention. After they voiced their worries, he blew himself up. The number of monkeypox-related deaths has topped 1,000, currently affecting 18 of Africa's 55 nations. The head of the continent's top public health emergency unveiled the latest figures on Thursday, October 17. The demise this week of 50 infected people brought the total of victims to 1,100. The head of Africa CDC, Ken Kasia, urged international partners to honor their pledges to support Africa's response. The estimated budget for a 6-month plan put forward by the Africa Center for Disease Control and Prevention, known as Africa CDD, and the World Health Organization is worth almost $600 million. Monkeypox belongs to the same family of viruses as smallpox, but causes milder symptoms, including fever and body aches. And Mbira in southeastern Mauritania hosts thousands of Malian refugees. The United Nations Refugee Agency estimated Mauritania welcomes over 262,000 refugees, mostly women and children, from Mali. UNHRC is heading to the upcoming UN Climate Conference to advocate on behalf of displaced people and their host. They are being forced across the border as a result of fighting in Mali. They are arriving in a place which is already stretched in terms of resources as a result of the climate crisis. So an already problematic situation have been exacerbated to the degree. The actor who is notably known for playing in the teen saga Divergence, the actor who is notably known for playing in the teen saga Divergence said refugees must be included in climate policy on the world stage. The UNHRC Goodwill Ambassador met refugees, many of whom are spearheading local initiatives. Well, that's it for international news with me, Cynthia Kamara.
Many thanks to Cynthia Kamara for the international news update. Well, from the international news, we continue with our news items. As Sierra Leone joins the rest of the world in commemorating International World Food Day and marking the first year of the Feed Salon initiative, thousands of farmers, agriculturists, and government officials gathered in Freetown town to celebrate. This year's theme is Right to Food for Better Life and Future, Leave No One Behind. Let's now join our status correspondent Amuse for details.
World Food Day is marked globally every October 16 to celebrate the founding of the United Nations Food Agricultural Organization in 1945. It is a day supported by organizations like the World Food Programme, focusing on hunger and food security. In Freetown district, the celebration for this year's World Food Day and the first anniversary of the Feed Salon initiative kicked off with farmers displaying a variety of food products. There was dancing and excitement as district representatives showcased their produce.
Farmers must feed Sierra Leone. We the farmers must feed Sierra Leone. The farmers must feed Sierra Leone. We are the first for President Yata Sama. The farmers must feed Sierra Leone. The farmers must feed Sierra Leone. The farmers must feed.
President Chides Madabio commended the organizers, particularly the Ministry of Agriculture, Forestry and Food Security. He praised the team behind the Feed Salon initiative for their efforts. He also assured the people of Freetown district of ongoing plans to provide 24 hours electricity, noting the strong support they gave him during elections.
So Feed Salon not just about me or the ministry, now but we all. In a one for all man embrace this opportunity. Once for me change Salon with history. All what you want for become enough possible. And I make with create the connection between food and culture. Houston, we see with brothers and sisters from the north and other parts that they can then dance. Na so Salon, na so one for make today. But all the things that they do, it's not possible if we not get power, energy. That I make, I don't tell Honorable Young Fella say, make himself join we, now that's Friday, move fame way for make sure say, Salon, we will got reliable, affordable energy supply every part of this country here. And we will work towards that one day.
President Bill reminded the crowd that during his first term, his administration focused on human capital development, especially the free quality education. Despite the challenges posed by COVID-19, his government pressed on with education reforms. He also mentioned his wife, the First Lady Fatima Madabio, leading campaigns against child marriage, teenage pregnancy, and promoting hygiene and sanitation nationwide. He called for national unity in making Feed Salon a success.
So, now that we don't get pledges, we don't identify the strategy, now how to implement in the next couple of years what we go see vast and big difference in what we don't do and what we go see. And not today for launch the Feed Salon, the 1 year progress report within a year. I go encourage you for grab because a lot of information they naya we not accessible to everybody, but that's not a way for encouraging all for me we take this national issue to fruition. Until and unless we all embrace food security, we not go achieve it. And food security is more than food security.
Dr. Kande Koleyum Kela, chairman of the Presidential Initiative of Climate Change, Renewable Energy and Food Security, noted that the Feed Salon is more than just rice farming. It includes diverse crops and should aim for cash crop protection to achieve food security in Sierra Leone.
And the East, for sure, say Feed Salon safe, it involve cocoa, coffee, palm oil, and then other products where they give local community and farmer their money for let them able buy the chop where they buy and for take care of them, picking them. Kailao and the Eastern region on a tanky, on a they support this economy. So we come here now today, now for let we make that message. So not for eat no more, but now for grow crops where we go able to export, let the country go before and let the region go before.
The Minister of Agriculture, Musa Kwaka, lauded President Bio's leadership and his vision for the Feed Salon initiative. He highlighted the hard work of his ministry and farmers in pushing the project forward. He also thanked donor partners for their support.
Celebrate not only because we don't win, not only because we don't done. We celebrate because over this past year we don't do plenty hard work and we don't score plenty good points from this Feed Salon business here. And we know say plenty day back for do. And so today, Your Excellency, I just want for tell you say the call where you don't make to all man for say the people them of this country, the farmer them of this country don't grieve for this call. And today now just small example, and as you get for go around for see all the produce the way they don't bring, now a good example for the challenge where you don't throw, where they don't receive the challenge. And I want for
Yatasoma, President of the National Farmers Federation, expressed gratitude to President Bio and his team for starting the initiative. Her organization has mobilized more farmers across the district to increase agricultural output. She said diversity, nutrition, affordability, and safety in food protection should be prioritized for a healthy future. For Slbc TV News in Kailan District, I'm also reporting.
And now from celebrating the gains made so far in the Feed Salon program, we go over for more human interest stories. Women in Fogbo village in the outskirts of Waterloo are breaking traditional barriers by empowering themselves through fishing and other business ventures. The initiatives are helping them gain financial independence and drive change in their community. Our intern, Henrietta Coker, has the report.
With support from Gold Organization and local leaders, women in Fogbo are empowering themselves through vocational training and fishing in driving their financial independence and contributing to the community's development. Despite challenges, these efforts are transforming lives and fostering growth in the village. Headman of Fogbo village, Idris Suma, shared his plans for supporting the women involved in fishing business. He has partnered with NGOs to help boost the industry. Although much of the assistance has come from his personal resources, he has plans to build a school to further empower women. He emphasized his commitment to developing the women through various initiatives, with the Gold Organization being a key partner in supporting the village's growth.
I get plan for them. They want to open one institute there. The one who they show, the one who they make here, then they land the back for do trade. Then they want to fight for them who can't say for go. They don't.
I have many plans to support women in the village to empower themselves, even though most of the resources come from my personal income.
And most of the things I do for them, I never get outside the game money.
Fish trader Ramatu Kamara said that the fish business has been a vital source of income, helping solve many of our financial problems at home. However, the lack of proper roads and the low profits make it difficult to fully thrive in the business. Despite these challenges, it remains a better option for them. She encouraged other women to continue empowering themselves financially, but also strengthening their role within the community. Betty Kolka, a nurse, explained that the women have fully empowered themselves by putting great effort into their businesses. Beyond business, they have supported many successful pupils through the fish trade, showing that they don't fully depend on men. However, some women wish to advance but lack the means to start.
Women in this community when I football and plan just say my bafti. They are so strong enough. They don't rely on man then. They believe themselves in their business when they do.
The women in this community are empowering themselves by putting great effort in their business. This business has helped them support their children in higher education.
Out of their business, they don't get lawyer, they get doctors in this community. They get teachers. What impressed me, I so impressed so much. Because as a woman, you know, for rely on man.
Women in Fogbo village are making strides towards economic independence through hard work in business and education. However, while progress has been made, more support is needed to help others reach their full potential.
Inspiring indeed, and we do wish these women the very best in their endeavors. Now to Ibi village in Moyamba district, which is currently faced with pressing challenges that are impacting the quality of life for its residents. The village is deprived of many facilities, including proper toilets and access to health care. Education in the village is also suffering due to shortage of schools, forcing children to travel long distance to attend school. Our intern reporter Aminata Bangura traveled to the village and compiled this report read in the studio by Aminata Fofana.
Ribi village is facing urgent development challenges that threaten the quality of life of its residents. It is not only suffering from limited access to clean drinking water, education is also a problem. King Dauda Kurma said she has to walk about 3 miles daily to the other village because there is no school at Ribi, her own village. The 15-year-old called on government to construct a secondary school in her village to save them from going far away to attend school, walking far distance to attend school.
We wake up early every morning to avoid being late for school. We have to walk 3 miles to school because we don't have a secondary school in this community.
The village is also crippled by the lack of proper toilet and healthcare facilities, leaving many of its people exposed to health risks. Local chief King Dauda Kurma said since there is no hospital in the village, they have to go to the nearest village anytime there is an emergency.
We have been trying to develop this community but have not been able to succeed because we lack the materials to make us grow. I'm calling on government to help us with healthcare facilities and schools.
Local leaders are urgently calling for investment in infrastructure and essential services to address these critical needs and improve living conditions in the village.
This is Weekend News Live on the SLBC. Still in the news, we now take one of our headline stories. In a bid to address accommodation challenges faced by pilgrims during the time of Hajj, Sierra Leoneans abroad are currently constructing one mosque in Lungi, which is expected to accommodate over 1,000 worshippers. The project also includes construction of Hajj village and an Islamic learning center. Mohamed Kouma reports.
The ongoing construction of Burhan Mosque in Lungi by some Sierra Leoneans abroad is meant to address accommodation challenges faced by Hajj pilgrims every year. The mosque is expected to accommodate over 1,000 pilgrims to enable them to have a conducive environment before making their way to and from Hajj. Chief Executive Officer and Project Manager, Burhan Mosque Project, Sheikh Aliou Badara Kamara, was pleased with the work done so far, adding that the project also caters for the construction of a Hajj village and an Islamic learning center, which will commence immediately after the completion of the mosque.
Our intention started from 2023, which is to start up the project, to launch the project with a huge masjid of 145 feet, 100 feet wide. So after the masjid, inshallah ta'ala, we have a great intention with the help of Allah Azza wa Jal to build a Hajj village. As we know, people are going through struggles during the time of Hajj season, and inshallah ta'ala, the Hajj village will come with the learning center for educational purpose.
Sheikh Aliou Badara Kamara said that the mosque would also be of benefit to the Freetown International Airport as it is being constructed adjacent it.
We are calling upon the Muslims around the world, especially Sierra Leoneans. Why am I saying especially Sierra Leoneans? 99.9% of the help that we received so far are from the brothers from overseas, Sierra Leoneans and non-Sierra Leoneans. So we're asking Sierra Leoneans in Sierra Leone to get involved because this masjid is literally established here in Freetown, Lungi, Sierra Leone.
Both the young and the elderly demonstrated commitment to assist in the construction process, ensuring that the project succeeds. Upon the completion of the project, it is anticipated that Hajj pilgrims would have suitable accommodation that would facilitate their journey and help ease burden on government. For SLBC, Mohamed Kouma reporting.
Now, some consumers and business people have shared their experiences when purchasing products. While some said they've always checked the expiration dates before buying, others admitted they don't often do due to certain circumstances. Our intern Esther Nenekama filing the following reports read in the studio by Mohamed Kouma.
The sale and consumption of expired products pose significant risks to both public health and economic stability. Expired goods, particularly in the food, pharmaceuticals items, and personal cosmetics industries, can cause serious hazardous health issues, including food poisoning, allergic reactions, infections, and vomiting. While consumers are the most affected by the sale of expired products, some don't bother to check expiration dates when purchasing items. Issa Samura shared that he once bought expired products, and after consuming them, he experienced illness. Since then, they should always check expiration dates before making a purchase.
Whosoever they go buy, especially then canned food them, whatsoever, something way then the max expiring dates, but therefore read and watch, no say this particular thing, so like watch for the expiring dates. Then if you notice say the thing don't expire, now you write for let you report to the person where you buy, so you say show them and you advise her, let say not sell that.
Bianca Molai said that she always check for dates before purchasing an item, whereas Amidou and Sumana admitted that he rarely checked because the dates are sometimes wiped off or difficult to read.
Some biscuits away by when it expire. Why you see the expiring date? So like when you open and they try for scatter, so you will know say this don't expire. So like I can throw like them syrup there. Wait, watch this is this the time when I be put say this are the expiring dates. When the time which can expire, so like what you watch, I can just oversight or I can left hand or throw away.
Like me so president and they watch this because they get us something like wafer, especially they around when you see them yesterday. The question is wafer, they keep people are there. So normally when they don't pull they go below. And that expire, another you know expire.
Business owners also shared their struggle, explaining that selling expired products can severely damage a business's reputation. Some pointed out that when purchasing stock, they are sometimes rushed by shop owners, leading to mistakes.
We get most of them people and whether they come back with goods to who they sell, because so they go buy to the Lebanese them, and then Lebanese them, they go buy to in fact, so they go the car where they attend you safe, they treat you like a trash on top of your money.
Yeah, because the last market where I go buy, not be watching. So I carry it and before I put it on my table, I look the date expire from right now 2024. So the thing will expire 2021 where the person will sell and give me, but not be look the date. So I come now watch the date. As I say they expire. Now put them back inside the plastic, I return them back to the person about it.
Both consumers and business people emphasize the importance of checking expiration dates before buying any item.
How are they do? They buy small. Like when you come, if you ask me for Pinoplex, I get. If you ask me for Ferroglobin, I get. If you ask me for Dexorange, I get. I don't get a large quantity, small. Because when you come, you meet at the shop. Because if you buy a large quantity, you not sell, now losses for you, the business owner.
Addressing the issue of expired products requires strict regulations, improved stock management practices, and greater consumer awareness. Implementing these measures will help protect consumers and ensure that businesses operate ethically and responsibly.
Now on weekend news, there is an important press release from the Bank of Sierra Leone. The Bank of Sierra Leone hereby informs the general public that it has minted sufficient coins to service the economy. The denomination of coins in circulation are as follows: 1 cent, 5 cent, 10 cent, 20 cent, and 50 cent. Members of the public are hereby advised to contact their commercial banks, community banks, and microfinance institutions to obtain coins over the counter. I go over the press release. The Bank of Sierra Leone hereby informs the general public that it has minted sufficient coins to service the economy. The denomination of coins in circulation are as follows: 1 cent, 5 cent, 10 cent, 20 cent, and 50 cent. Members of the public are hereby advised to contact their commercial banks, community banks, and other microfinance institutions to obtain coins over the counter. And that's the end of that important press release from the Bank of Sierra Leone. But from there, we now move over to our business updates.
Hello and welcome to Business Update, the segment that brings you insight in business and its contribution towards positively impacting the economy. I am Moses Conte. In today's edition, we look at the celebration of the International Credit Union Day, focusing on the launching of a credit union. Credit and loan control policy has been launched in Freetown during the celebration of the International Credit Union Day with a theme: One World Through Cooperative Finance. The celebration mainly focused on raising awareness on the importance of credit union, which is one of the drivers to bridge financial inequality in the country. Let's join our reporter Emmanuel Samura for that report.
These are members of the credit union movement traversing the streets of Freetown in celebration of International Credit Union Day. Whilst they marched through with melodious sounds from a bass band, they were also using the opportunity to raise awareness on the importance of credit union. Credit unions offer people a safe space to keep their money from as little as £1 leon per day to help them build their savings and address their needs. Considering the growing financial inequality in the world, the chairperson of the National Cooperative Credit Union Association, Lamin Kamara, said they resuscitated such a movement to bridge that gap and make financial inclusion becomes a practical reality.
Credit unions were established to promote credit, provide access to credit, and improve the financial well-being of our members. And I am proud to say that we have stayed true to these principles, ensuring that no one is left behind in their pursuit for financial security.
The Credit Union Credit and Loan Control Policy launch has become the official document that will guide the processes as to how Credit Union gives loans and control the finance of its members. About 3.5 million of Ireland's population, the Irish ambassador to Sierra Leone, Aidan Fitzpatrick, said belongs to the cooperative movement. This, he added, has been a key driver for financial inclusion in his country. He called for continued commitment, truth and engagement for Credit Union to increase their membership exponentially.
It's about members, it's for members. It's not for profit, it's not about the big boss and the profit. It's about delivering real services, real benefits to your members. And I think if we keep that core to how we operate, to how we work, we will prosper.
A representative from the central bank, Esther Johnson, recognized Credit Union as a critical driver to the financial inclusion initiative of the central bank. The democratic principle of credit unions, Esther Johnson said, sets them apart from normal banking system because they are owned and governed by their members and every of their decisions come from their membership. Esther Johnson reminded the credit union of the evolving financial landscape, which she said they should be part of but with much caution.
It is essential for credit unions to embrace technology while remaining true to our core values. We must leverage digital solutions to enhance our services, streamline operations, and reach more members, especially the younger generation, who expect convenience and accessibility in their financial interaction.
Chief Director of the Ministry of Trade, Emmanuel Bilikonjo, commended credit unions for proving their trustworthiness because in just 4 years, they have had a savings of over 20 million euros. Mr. Konjo said his dream is to see how the informal sector can be formalized, describing credit union as a channel to achieve such a dream.
There are 300,000 artisanal miners, 300,000 non-cooperative in the mineral sector. Now, it is unacceptable. Nakwa, enough for me.
Emmanuel Konjo informed his audience of their current efforts to repeal the 1977 Cooperative Act and revamping of the Cooperative Bank.
The acts, with the support of ILO, will be done. It will go through parliaments and we will have a new act and its attendant regulation. We're working assiduously to resuscitate and reopen the Cooperative Bank.
Mr. Konjo called on NACWA to be on the field and get people to join the movement in a bid to ameliorate financial inequality in the country. Emmanuel Samura, SLBC.
Many thanks to Emmanuel Samura for that report. Well, that's all for this edition of Business Update. I'm Moses Conte. Thanks for watching.
Grateful indeed to Moses Conte for bringing us that business update. Well, now alternatively to the press release read earlier from the Bank of Sierra Leone, members of the public are advised to visit the bank hall of the Bank of Sierra Leone at Chaka-Stevens Street or its branch in Kenema on Thursday between the hours of 9 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. to exchange their banknotes for minted coins. Well, from the business desk, we now move straight to the entertainment desk for our entertainment news.
Welcome to the entertainment news. Fans stormed Seacoach Hall at Aberdeen to welcome House of Stars container Lolo Simon and one of Nigerians' finest musician, Banky W, and his wife Adeswa welcomed their second child in America. Citizen TVs are set to experience another dramatic show as the momentum is already wiring on various social media fora. The contenders for the House of Stars Season 2 has begun cooking up their various fan bases with creativities. And those living abroad have begun coming into the country to prepare ahead of the show. Among them is a former housemate contender, Lolo Simon, who landed on the shores of Sierra Leone few days ago from France. The atmosphere at the Sea Coach Hub at Aberdeen was lit as many fans came along to dine and wine with their favorite candidate, Lolo Simon. Here is the highlight of the scene at Sea Coach Hub.
Lolo Simon help we in a great way. He don't pay for his school fees. He don't give we books there, not only that. Even when we can get personal problems there, we can meet him for help and he help with. So like I encourage all my company picking there, the Kumbra there, vote for Lolo because now God-fearing person.
They pay school fee for picking them. So I appreciate that. This year, you cannot bless Lolo, picking them, therefore don't see them. But I tell God thank you. I tell God I get 5 picking them.
Good talk. They can only say the money, the host, and the motorcar now will come back. What it make today special, not to just anybody that can receive me, but now people that were important in their life now they come. Sure. Picking them from Letter Children Dream Foundation, with their mothers, them, the fans, the family and friends. I'm so grateful for all. God, we don't put me on this game to make sure say we come out successful. Yeah.
In another news, Adeswa Etomi Wellington, Nigeria actress and the wife of popular singer and politician Olubankole Wellington, popularly known as Banky W, has taken to social media to announce the birth of their second child. The actress shared beautiful pictures from her pregnancy shoot session with the caption, "First, we had each other. Then we had your brother. Then God sent you. And now we have everything." Heartily congratulations to both Banky W and Adeswa. That was incredible. We can't wait to see what the stars have for us. Well, that's all we have in this edition of the Entertainment News. I have been your presenter, Jogan Dumbuya.
Many thanks indeed to our ever-blazing Joey and Dumbuya for the entertainment news. Well, let's go over to our sports desk for updates.
Thank you so much for joining us on the Sport Desk. Of course, it's the sporting updates that keeps you in the know, and my name is Abdul Kabir. We begin with boxing in this edition. Now, in a significant move for Sierra Leonean boxing, the Sierra Leone Boxing Association and the Picky boxing team from the United Kingdom have officially announced an international Itoleg boxing.
You know, you knocked me down in my country, but don't forget that December 8th I will crush you down in Birmingham.
The meeting, attended by key members from both the Sierra Leone Boxing Association (SLBA) and the UK team, emphasized the importance of fostering international competition and showcasing Sierra Leonean talent. Secretary General of the SLBA, Alhaji Komba, highlighted the vital role of the December bout in advancing the sport in Sierra Leone and providing local boxers with a platform to grow and compete internationally.
Indeed, we are here today to present this team on different folds. One, we are presenting a set of boxers that are now preparing for the return leg fight in the UK. And we've also got another set of boxers who will be representing the country in Montenegro. They will be leaving by the weekend to Montenegro for the World Youth Championship for the very first time. Sierra Leone is participating in the World Youth Championship. And also, we've got 2 boxers as I speak. One left yesterday. They are in Kinshasa now, representing Sierra Leone in the African Championship. So we've brought this information to you as our regulatory and supervisory body.
Executive Director of the National Sports Authority, Dr. Emmanuel Safa Abdullahi, spoke about the transformative potential of sport in creating employment opportunities for youth and enhancing international relations, particularly between Sierra Leone and the UK. He assured participants of NSA's unwavering support for the SLBA's initiatives.
We believe that we should use sport to give opportunities to young people. These young guys will be on the street doing something else that we will not want in our society if they were not doing sport. The opportunities for them to travel to places like the UK and Birmingham, some of them had never thought about it. Some of them had not even dreamt of it. But sport is providing that opportunity. Boxing, one aspect of sport, is providing. But what I really want to say is this is value for money. Yeah, you came here, you had a boxing competition, we enjoyed it, and that's opened the boxing environment in the country. You have become a special ambassador. You are back here, you're going to take some of them back to the UK to fight. There's nothing bigger than that.
The event is part of a greater synergy aimed at promoting the best of Sierra Leonean boxing. Among the competitors will be the Sierra Leone top boxing star Alusain Mansare, known as Tommy Lee, and Tim from UK, who expressed gratitude for the support from the National Sport Authority and excitement for the upcoming bouts.
I know I can't change the world, but I do know I can change the world for so many people's lives with a little bit of help and guidance. With us all sticking together, we can do something. On the return leg flight, I'm organising to get so many British tourists here. I've got so many friends and family at home who want to come here now because I've shined this country in a good light. Not that I didn't need to, because the people of Sierra Leone are some of the best, fantastic people I've ever met. People who've been looking after me, around me.
Prince Wally, president of the National Olympic Committee, Commonwealth Games Association of Sierra Leone for Excellence. As anticipation builds up for the December bout, both national and international boxers look forward to a showcase of talent in front of an amazing audience in the United Kingdom.
4-1 to clinch their first ever FA Cup title. In a nail-biting final at the SLFA Academy, Rangers emerged as the champions of the 2024 Sierra Leone FA Cup, defeating Eastern Lions in a penalty shootout after a thrilling 2-2 draw in regulation time. The state of the match was decided from the spot. Rangers proved to have the steadier nerves, converting 4 of their 5 attempts, while Eastern Lions scored once. The match was a captivating affair, with both teams showcasing their attacking skills. Eastern Lions took an early lead to a goal from their defender Abdul Mohamed Fubi.
Updates from sport. That's our big news hour to close tonight. But before we go, I'll look at your headlines again. In a bid to address accommodation challenges faced by pilgrims during the time of Hajj, Sierra Leoneans abroad are currently constructing Boa Mosque in Lungi, which is expected to accommodate over 1,000 worshippers. The project also includes construction of a Hajj village and an Islamic learning center. Fortizo Technologies, pioneered by Alex David Pratt, has emerged the grand champion in the Da Vinci, Pitch Night and Hackathon contest by the Christex Foundation, walking home with the star prize of a whopping 3,000 United States dollars. According to the founder of Christex Foundation, Colin Ogo, the foundation was looking forward to build a thriving tech ecosystem which was open to collaborate with other MDAs in expanding the digital space. And some consumers and business people have shared their experiences when purchasing products, while some said they always check the expiration dates before buying. Others admitted that they don't, often due to certain circumstances. Well, that's all we have time for on this edition of Weekend News. Many thanks for watching, and thanks indeed for the pleasure. Service podcaster, the SLBC, your trusted news source and your authentic voice of Sierra Leone. Coming up next is your Love Enlightenment program, Love Factor. Until then, I am Dennis Fraser. Good night.
sweet without
that thing what we call love. Now that make
Love Factor a very good program where any big person can look and enjoy.
Now the kind program we for spend time for watch. Now the kind program we for spend time for sit down for look.
And this program it made around that format and I wonder you save life.
The Love Factor show is about family, love, counseling,
relationship. So we build and maintain relationship. This is my program. So we counsel you, for let you know how for them with your partner, let you know how for settle disputes between you and your heart to heart.
Well, you do hear it for yourself.
Join the Love Factor team
every Sunday, 10 p.m.
for help make we all enjoy love and peace.
Life no go ever sweet without
that thing what we call love.
Fabulous, good evening and welcome to our favorite program, Love Factor. Mina Diana Duati alongside
Bamidele Belly, Captain Bibi Nadine. Good evening and welcome to Love Factor.
Today we belong to say we will come with the manual part of packaging, how to attract your partner. Last week we been covered with woman, this week we don't cover the man them. And we cover with super master savvy people them, man them, we savvy talk. And I should say we all, be you even if you not a man, you not woman, you will learn something from man. And also while you know say this program now for adults, not so bad me.
Now for adults, if you get speaking where they go school, we not reach 18 years a beg. So I want to let it go in a room, let it go sleep.
Or let it go on a book.
Because I see we can start so this Love Factor edition today. We remember waiting they happened last week.
We need left nothing alone, we need left nothing behind. All things they go complete one. We don't want to say Love Factor this time around. We they touch all things. So sit down at your chair, relax. If you not get person where they sit down here, you call a leg calm, leg and sit down here. They all learn how for package yourself for we partner.
You know, say yourself get for take part of the program, but when the time reach, we go tell you. We get fun fight and lead you them. But now, I want to make you know, say, thing they can be inside the studio.
Well, it already told on the music where they have. Where that music in there?
Thing don't be you.
No, thing they can be you. Hey. Sit down and enjoy the program.
All right, we'll be right back.
Finally, thing don't be you. Thing don't be you. Finally, thing don't be you. Thing don't be you.
Finally, you self you market or solo. Celebrate you pot on boilo. Raise your glass up, make we toast to success. The baby where you ask for marriage, don't say yes. Oh yes. This year I am with no distress. You go lead the road on the way to success. Oh yes. The more they hate, the more God they bless. Even you enemy self go start to confess. Oh yes.
Many things don't happen when you talk, then go see Amba. Never afraid no battle when you lost, now for do one back. Finally, thing don't be you. Thing don't be you. Finally, thing don't be you. Thing don't be you.
Finally, this year you self you go borrow. You go take the follow. You go pick the phone anytime when money call. Success could be your last name, you not go follow. Oh yes. This year I we know the stress. You go lead the road on the way to success. Oh yes. The more they hate, the more God they bless. Even you enemies have go start to confess. Oh yes.
Many things don't happen when you talk, then go see yamba. See yamba. Never afraid no battle when you lost, now for do wamba. Finally, tin don't be oh. Hey, oh. Tin don't be oh. Finally, tin don't be oh. It's tin don't be oh. Finally, tin don't be oh. Hey, oh. Tin don't be oh. Finally, tin don't be oh. It's tin don't be oh.
Well, family, once again, if you just tuning in, you watch the program Law Factor coming to you live from the Sierra Leone Broadcasting Corporation. Mina Diana Duati alongside
Bamidele Billy, Captain Bibi, Love Factor. We don't come back with the program and we dey repeat the topic how for attract you partner. But today, na the man them version.
Hey, I see they make OG business. They give them the gangster, the 5-star business. Now see they make na the studio. Anyway, family, last week, like as we say no more, we've been talking about the woman. Then we've been all listening how woman for take care of himself, what you for do for attract your partner, for make you say it glued to you, make if you know they around safe, let him know say you know they let miss you for something. So today they can talk inside the program how man them for package themselves for with the woman there, because so woman they we different, we get funny thing they look at, especially. You will defend somebody for settle down. You get what you they look for. So we go for look into that and the man they don't come for can't tell report that day. Family inside the studio, like as I said, we get Master Sammy man them. First of all, one of the faces is now our favorite person we like always see now, but me we talk about that day. The other person, he don't come 1 or 2 times, but himself na season talk man. It's a bit talk. I don't need for please. I go carry na person way na popular name, na face way popular, na Freetown, na salon generally, and also internationally, and also he get the vibes. He get the vibes. Yes, he get the vibes. Now no other person there go tell family name. What's na name sir? The man with the black.
The man with the black?
Yes.
Oh, family on a kushe. Mina Lawrence Bolokoka.
Lawrence Bolokoka, he there alongside with Raymond Coca. So today na Coca and Coca. You can Coca.
Una plan this thing. Come on, Coca.
They can't Coca the topic. Well, log go inside the program. Proper. I don't know which time. We go give you the telephone number very soon. So do you have a big one? We'll go give you the telephone number. You can send you text if you need for call me. But move away from your television set because they always they give you negative feedback. We know they hear you or they hum or they blast or something. So there when you call, move away from your television set, or you autumn. Then you can talk to me now. Then we're there for listening to you. Mbolo, you don't hear the topic.
Right, but before Bolo start, I want to give Bolo a background. Bolo, what really be happening last week? What did I with this topic? We get 2 guests them. In fact, they've been so unique that the age gap between them they make the program very interesting. But they all two say for let woman attract man if you're able for take care of himself first. Number 1. If you're able to take care, then get other things the way they talk. But now that one day I want to start with first. How man for attract woman?
Well, that take care of past the, I will go to small, but I will say woman in general, more so more than man. The first thing where they look for, I believe, is security. Security in the sense of security can come in different ways. Obviously, depending on the age where they, security means you can provide, you can help. Because no left that old talk with that the woman say they look for man for provide. You can help for provide for this family, this unit to work great. But it's like the first thing that the woman they look for. Even if you are taking that security to a younger age, let's say you want away 19, 20, 21, you the one that say, okay, that young pikidi, that young lady, so tell us for security. No. Instead they look for security in a way that even if a man come out, his boyfriend, then go jump or then go party or something, anytime problem come out, they expect man will go for fight for protect her. All now and then, I think that's security. So for me, I will go in the sense that the first thing that I have to say, woman, then they look for. They need somebody who go for protect them from whichever are the challenges we then go face out there in the world.
All right, Raymond.
What do you want to say now? You first.
How far attract your partner as a man?
Family Muna, good evening. For attract your partner as a man, the first point of call where you attract your presentation. Your presentation that make the individual get attracted to you. How? You get someone where when he appears as successful, get good aroma, good smell, good sweet, good smile, you know, and the way they talk, they get jokes them. You understand? And when they did that atmosphere, it's a pleasant atmosphere because woman them now people away not just they get into man so directly. They get for study the man first. Even in a 1 week or 2 week or when you are talking building of a relationship, you go for study the man. Maybe he and the man will meet 1 or 2 times, you know, or different areas. They watch, this guy he look cute to watch. That they not done. And they look again. What's the next step? Maybe he approach the appearance, how this person. Then they look now, just like what Bolo they say. Okay, if I get this man because of your height, he built up. It could be good security, and not go bully me. It could be at any point in time. But you, the man, your presentation, they can you go a long way. No man, not the way no want somebody way decent, way cute, way nice, way it map. So you see that charming individual, well presented. All woman like for the near good thing. Woman not like bad luck. Woman are success products. Outside success, the woman like Didi. And they make the atmosphere clear. Now they can make them say, and or beside a successful man, you get woman. Then they can help now for lady the ambience for see whether when I join this man, so also for reach we go reach there. So now that kind atmosphere. But the first point, look, you got for be well. No man, not the way no want man we not presentable. Presentable in a different form. You don't say you got for be too extravagant or you waiting. You can be simple, decent, cute. The way they relate. The way they talk. Then woman they get attracted to man. That foresight, woman why you say this man a playboy. Even if not playboy self, as soon as you hear that talk for come closer to you, you got for take a long time. So your presentation as a whole, they play a great role for the woman get attracted to you.
Okay, you don't touch one side, but before we go further, one thing that I let you know say, like as I said, you get 2 types of women. You get the one probably sometimes not just wanting a serious relationship, not just fun, whether you're not playboy or not. Then you get the other one them where they look for something serious. You understand me? So packaging yourself for that type of woman, especially if you know say this woman, you demand don't you know say like now something serious. I think say this not that kind of careless woman where they go. You get them picking away, not just worry. Of course, age difference and all. Some much younger ladies, they really want to be serious. But in terms of maturity and all, you get the older ones that they're going for something serious. So there's a 2 way for package yourself. Now give me them 2 way then even if you go younger picking safe, you understand me? And really meet some kind, a sober-minded woman we don't prepare himself, ready himself, don't package himself well, waiting. How do they meet both them kind of women in there?
It is 2 types. You get the business love, and then you get the love winner, the actual love. So sometimes some make lucky, the business love can turn to real love. Of course, generally the concept is that he say man then a playboy. Man they know they go, most man they know they begin say I go in depth. Maybe you go look the woman now out of how the woman they relate, you go begin to get second thoughts. The first thought that man they can play the game. And you got several ways. The woman attraction na so the man they follow. Let's take for instance you meet up woman where you know say you the man they can find intention at first sight and plan. As you read up say this woman a game, the man are expert for play games. Now make them kiss all time man you say bad boys. You understand eh? When you come to that atmosphere, if I read the post I watch and say, hey, but this one a business love, I go play now call the first life love safe. I go make some kind of way, I go raise you up some kind of way.
Then a package for that guy.
The packaging.
For meet up
where what she said, I was just on before I say, oh, one of my business partner call me safe now $15,000 now for drop soon. Then can't around the way don't you go have to tell us so you go with me and they come just now I forget business with me business partner them. You know, you don't talk there and a big thing you don't talk. And the moment when you begin to
the
first life package in because you don't faint and say it's a game and you won't forget the game. So when you begin getting them big talk then you understand always you want them near you because it expects something. Now then now some man now they set the bait. Since that first appearance they tower see if now 5,000 lie bam. But how you Andy, you 5,000. Or certain someone when they are confused and go now one paper then $100. If you check $100 now 2 point now almost 4 million now
No,
2.5 million. Don't imagine young picking one play game, you don't see 2.5. It don't crazy done. So before they catch up, Centena man don't knock like them 5, 6, 7 times. It don't knock 6, 7 times. Don't begin calling and tell you, no, I busy you. Check me to share the meeting. You begin wondering now. You understand it? The first, the woman go begin catch up. Say, boy, the guy learn a bit to say that vibe. See me, they give you. You don't let because the approach where you come in the relationship, the man don't pick you up. Say nah. They call it just bank time, just get phone. The man will go take you serious. You get that one way, the man they begin look from the different perspective. Like for instance, you get to woman them with that caring type.
That in class, we no one
that's it. When and any decent woman, I'm telling you, any decent woman will meet man, and then they begin demands. You understand? They put demand pan worries. Worries in the sense that it come to you and I talk fine. Every day when the woman they come, you go see and say decent. Maybe in perfume self, you begin imagine say, but this the kind of perfume where they spray, I go able this level. You get someone with genuine, unable for sit and talk. But how they relate, you they see and say they come up from a different angle. Say this person is one settled, a very serious. The way they talk, the way they carry himself. You understand? But now you begin go, tomorrow go for go this club self. Tomorrow get that chilling day. Tomorrow this do I begin tell you I want make you one. You begin look at this one, you know, look ready for that. When you get out they talk now, say, I mean, what you go plan? What's next? The agile, you know, the ambience begin take care of you. You understand? Like for instance, it will come say, well, I help you do some domestic. Or sometimes it will give you some surprise. Within you say you read and say this own action is different. You know they begin to tell you I want this. Maybe you can say I get this thing. We can share them. You the man self they begin move. Say no. Let me self give and help you. And this one income for Sidon.
But you still know what about the packaging now. We don't talk about the woman. Me want know how you demand the package when you meet that woman. What thing are you focus? What thing you go?
Fine.
You meet that kind of woman. How you put yourself together?
Fine.
Wait. How you put yourself together? You don't explain all fine. Bolo. Let me hear you.
Well, you know, a good way to talk Boko because he give you the if na spectrum, the spectrum na serious relationship to fling relationship. Yes. The packaging, as always, you watch. Then that we can say good way to talk Boko. Because you get for decide this, you get for understand for which are the inside part. If you know say now this one the campaign now that play business, then so say that thing they like with the whole packaging, I the dress. Now that's you dress like me so now. You wear hoodie. You know you try to look young and everything else.
Yeah.
If that's somebody more mature, and that's the rest like Babi then so now, you know.
Executive, yeah.
You went the executive, you boss with you Africana. When look you so you say, well, it's a serious man, it don't settle. You understand? So the packaging, even the way the package yourself, even the way you they talk.
Yeah.
Like you say, even this way they talk now, say, okay, and they create an illusion or an impression. Even the way they create that impression, they now by who you see them with, you understand? So what me go say is in relation to just cutting the thread around that for say advice. When they try to package yourself for somebody, as a man, the first way you understand is now who that are the package myself for. Yeah?
Right.
Who's kind of relationship are the package myself for.
Good. So how you the package for a serious relationship?
The serious relationship for me is still come down to people back the attitudes and stuff. Right? If we say relationship serious, they get to serious, because you prepare yourself for the relationship will not take, so you prepare yourself for long and each day. Then that means number 1 point I always go down the first. Okay. You dey package yourself as somebody who able for protect that person. Yeah? So you package yourself by saying, if you not get host now, so when you and somebody get conversation, when I go out for dinner, you go to talk about how you dey plan for buy land. Me now, the only two dinner I made are for build hosts. You understand? Now that kind of thing then you go to talk about. You're not going to talk more about, oh, Carlo go chill, now that resort here and just relax. So you got to talk about things where go create that impression of security. If on the other hand you deal with somebody who not interested in any of that, then you're not going to talk what me host me this and that. Now you got to talk about any resorts there we sabi. You go to drop name. Oh, I sabi that posse, I sabi that place. I don't go here.
Latest cars.
Yes, latest cars. No go buy. I'm to car, but I'm not sure whether for pick the BMW or the Benz. Story. So it really depends. But if you say you look at somebody, you look at seriousness. Then you of yourself, you don't study the woman, you get for knowing the woman in like. Because whether you like it or not, when they see, when they watch their entertainment show like this, if they see big stars, then now bad boys, as you be not talking, now bad boys that they go out with. So you go sit down to yourself say, what is possible? I mean, you don't get sense. You don't say this is a bad boy. This man get reputation, a bad boy get reputation. But look at, he's still there with her. When you go back, you look like back in the days, you think about somebody like Hugh Hefner, we create Playboy. I mean, that man be get also again, come on, who woman and day. That not be your kind of business, but in life, you take it on business. Now you want to tell me say in where we be there with for years, we understand. We that woman they say love and that woman they not really be they run the business. That woman they smart. You want to tell me say that woman not they jealous. You understand? You know get feelings for say all the other young picking. So every year are the best young one and they kind to you know they jealous. So why be they do it? I make I say that we say now at the serious relationship. At the end of the day, my biggest advice to everybody: understand the person where you deal with. Because if I don't package myself, I say I wear suit. Not talking about yourself. Okay, I wear suit for look officials. So much if you pass suit, you're not interested. They like somebody with the dress more casually. So the big thing for understanding this person you are deal with now, what's the intellect, what's the intellect. So you go to watch. Maybe you know they sat inside there for that they hang out. You go watch that and hear the fella. Because obviously we can sit down to car with you woman. You so tell you the man they drive. Believe you might sit down there, the fella hear you. Anything they watch that see the fella. For no say, okay,
that's that kind of guy.
Yeah. So tell them they now, it even make you plumber. We go see something. I don't watch that one this. Because you don't know say, okay, that's your kind. So the first thing always is know the individual. Know what's in like, know what's in the mover. If you take like me now, I don't be there for last week. But if you take like me now, then you say you're a woman, then you want to attract me. Then you carry it long weave on, you carry boku makeup, long nails. Trust me, just before you open your mouth, I don't X. You understand?
Right, but how you would attract?
How me go attract them?
Of course, that's but you don't want the way they are. One for no.
Because some man get ultimate, you don't know how to put them together.
Exactly. Yeah.
You know, they get honestly, take it from me. You get guys that will get everything, but then they try. It's just that they don't know how to do it. Then just not get an idea.
The first thing I go say to that is you not for need an idea. Because really, in as much as it's a game, it's not a game back. For we talk about relationship. For relationship work long term, not to love, get her. Now the day-to-day interaction. We wake in the morning, how they talk? Now laugh with they laugh? On a plaba, or not even talk. You understand? When I get idea, where I call you, I say, oh, I get this idea. A positive feedback the car on a negative. You understand? I can say this. So for that relationship work, it's that long-term, day-to-day. How will they operate on a day-to-day business? You know, I can still love on myself. I don't want picking, so I get picking them. You understand? That love still there, but that relationship on a day-to-day basis, when I wake in the morning, you know, they operate. Almost person they come out, like you go say, oh, today these things happen in my life. We're reaching a post, so tell they will be able to explain to a partner. Then can see anything. So the packaging for say how they look, get for do it. Okay, well in some cases address casual, but the main point you have to make it is you not for the try, you for just try for be yourself.
Yes.
Okay. Then people and they where you they talk about where you go say. They get all thing, meaning they get money, they get hosts, they get career. You understand? They look good, they get health, all of that. Then they will attract the right person. That means one, they're not being themselves, because people. I should say that they go out and they meet people, but they're just not able to sustain it and get to their one. So you know they be yourself,
and that you say. Now, no come to
phone
you.
Lines.
You, yes, now you. Exactly. Yes. I know say you want to take part now. 031 610 122. We don't hear rating Ball of say. We don't hear rating Raymond say. Interestingly, they all two name Coca. Bolo Coca, Raymond Coca.
They don't Coca
Now,
topic.
Raymond say now two way for attract you partner. If you partner one for serious, you go the serious way. If you partner na bank time no more you want, you back you get 418. Because I know go want I know I reach 419.
Yeah, you want to go sleep.
Yeah. But one thing where while still do it for
let
me call
number back.
Yeah.
The telephone number for be part of this program now 031 610 122. 031 610 122. We don't get a
right,
call?
we get a very first caller, I hope. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, caller. Good evening and welcome to Love Factor. Okay, thank you.
One man within a society within a situation, a well understanding man about love.
Which one pandem? You're the black. That young boy.
Which is about her?
He said that man we understand but love.
Oh. Take.
Life, therefore be yourself. You not for take, let's say, forget how to it's a lover and for take definition program. Then it's yourself not to force away the wonder. So you don't love what you be to be yourself. When I say be yourself, everything about you like when you want that you want to say. Because woman can disappoint you, also man that disappoint you. So life we all get what they call faith. That's what they do now. Faith to work out.
Okay.
So if you be good man, then get bad man. If you be bad man, then get good woman. So this means let's game. Let's when the project of man is to play that game.
All right.
So this game, only God will intervene at times.
Okay.
Because God will intervene.
Problem.
Okay.
So now that's the one.
Thank you
All
very much, caller. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Something that was kind of my mind just not to forget. We don't touch all that side. Being yourself is something because from the one the person don't know so this is who you are. If you want you, they want you for you. If you don't want you, go. You understand what I mean? That is being real. But I they talk now of you get some man like as I say, you get all thing. But honestly, some of them really dirty.
All right, we get a caller on the line. Hold on, the bolo. They're really dirty. Done at the packaging. Hello, good evening, and welcome to Love Factor.
Yeah,
Yes, good evening, sir. How you go contribute to this topic and the program?
Okay, I just want to say one thing for my system of packaging. You know, that's the other end of this serious ability to the very end to expect seriousness. And one thing I just in our truthfulness, you demand, you know, very truthful. It will attract the best. That's not important to understand. To be truthful. No false. Just be truthful. Definitely. To attract the best woman in life.
You therefore be truthful.
You're welcome. Yes, but
Thank you very much.
We're very, very untidy. Even though he has money, he has everything. He get career, he get this, he get that. You understand? You get some man with I don't know. I go say some man.
He untidy.
He untidy. Yeah.
Bolo.
He not grow. But how for packaging himself?
Well,
and then you want to go for woman. You want good woman.
So two things there really. If you're tidy, and that's who you are, the first part I will say is be your untidiness. You get woman them out there, we look for just clean after, they look for take care of somebody, right? So if you meet the right woman, you don't be yourself, then like how you really say, that woman, you don't let you small. In the ready now for help and change you. But if you don't be yourself, you don't see that genuine thing for so elect, then we're not even reach stage 2. But that's one.
Mm-hmm.
But man, you get for understand, say, woman them they into appearance. How you look, how you smell. Man, if everybody gets into that habit for the look after yourself. Now we as I don't say but woman go have for me, but we as African men, we get that thing where grooming is the bare minimum. They wonder why me man get all this cream, you get this cream for face, you get that one for hand. So man in grooming, a lot of guys then grooming is the bare minimum. He wake, he wash, he dress, he go.
Vaseline 7 all day.
So man up national body,
bumper my head.
That say deodorant for you underarm. If you don't get deodorant, you use lem. You understand? So obviously a lot of things go into that. It go into your background, your upbringing. You know, some man at the end of the day, it don't work hard all in life. You know, begin nothing way begin. So all of me focus on how they make money. You know, we get that. So maybe that mama or papa that also where they get that basic hygiene grooming for say, hey, you need for the smell sweet too. You know that kind of stuff. So you don't work. You don't get all thing. You don't eat that part where you talk. You get all thing. But on the way, you don't get that grooming. So man get for understand see. The opinion of other women, they can man them day. Me go advice to them go be find other woman the way that you party where you go for talk to, where you go for say, you know, that's one of the challenges is this. Because like for example, if you say you're untidy or you get bad odor, but if you close people and they're not gonna tell you to your face. So they're gonna laugh you behind you back. When you can't hear there, you're not gonna say one man they cover, you know, say whatever. They're not gonna tell you because maybe they're not upset you. Maybe
also when you not go out now you just spend.
Now they say so they get million reasons why they don't upset you. So they go just keep her quiet. So you as a man, if you try for just in life, if anything, if you try for achieve something, you're not able. A big advice is talk to other people that we might able help you. In the sense that if you are woman, you able get woman, talk to different woman then. And not try for the talk to the kind woman, we not to the kind woman we want. Because
that another one.
Yeah, because if you go talk to this one, he give advice, certain advice where they give for that Liverpool Chelsea game advice where I one off, all my win, all my go pull name that in. Talk to the one where you know say, you don't settle. They give for tell you say, hey, well I don't like for you, woman. If you wake, they smell, they put off. You like you get money, like you get finals, you like you get this. You understand? So it's about that.
All right.
Maybe final thing I will say on that is maybe we need a point where we need forget to. Where they get grooming schools for women in a salon.
Now that make we get love factor.
Yes.
And the grooming that day.
That
wonderful.
That is
and the gap that know that they feel.
Yeah.
Yes.
All right. 031 610 122. Now the telephone number where you can call and be part of this particular love factor program where we talk today about how man for attract in opposite sex. Where na woman and you get a call on the line. Hello. Yes, good evening and welcome to Love Factor. Yeah.
One side away, the guy for someone, that photo.
Yeah.
Now, probably, you know, the no one actually, we don't get that quality for people take care of it, actually.
Yeah.
Like, especially where we did down here, where we don't get better. So, like, the country, the go through that is the winner. The cost of living is so very, you know, difficult. So, people are not able to take care of themselves. So, in terms of getting, so, no man remember waiting for it.
Yeah.
So, you go to remember for buy the other. So, you just take a mix of two and so, like, for you, where get an idea, as soon as I go to bring up program there, it makes some people like that. Actually, if you don't get what you said, all this is a part of you said.
Yeah.
You don't think get money, but if you able to invest in food, you set it up good and public so that they're going to see you. Maybe the step by step, you able to get luck. Where somebody will pick up number, we get money.
Yeah. Last week the woman them been say for make we dey buy madoni, you put scent inside, you rub am like na bumper mine. Yeah, small scent. So it don't feel say when you rub down the no more, you dey go. You smell sweet in public. But thank you very much, caller.
Raymond, that come to you now. You get waiting bolo say. Okay, when you be the talk just now, you give me two sides. You say you get the fling, you get the serious. Now at the talk of whether you go meet a fling or not, even the fling themselves, now they get the sofa push pass the serious one themselves. Oh yes, with some of your sister they really not sofa push. Then they hide for talk and say them boku. Alright. When you go meet a woman, generally, without everything bolo say, just putting yourself together. No mean say pass you get money. You understand me? Just the basic, you know. Waiting at some of these basic because I should say maybe they go yan you if you're not gently. You guys started from nothing till God don't bless you now. So when you be ready for go meet you man, and that careless way you go meet her with whether in a fling
Why
or
not
not
ask her how? Let me tell me now.
No, one time they don't explain to me, but they give me gist how they
still ask her how.
We'll not be giving that gist.
Yes, ask her. So tell me how.
No, but what I try to say, the key point now, the fact say whether you're going for a fling or you go for seriousness, just putting yourself together. Because like as I say, woman they're funny. Even though they look for bling, woman they look for bling bling, but just even if you not get that bling bling, they putting yourself together before you go meet that woman. How you think say we man them, we bother them, we papa them, we uncle them for put themselves together for meet a woman, even if the woman don't want you now or the woman go for accept you now, but just put yourself as an individual together. That tidiness, how you think say them for do?
Well, we tell God thank you, we privilege for we people the way we get. Because some of them things are where we do so not to today, that we will grow up with. Because first and foremost, when you be a young boy coming up, then go tell you say when you waking up money, you go for clean your mouth properly. When they say clean more, not for pass bush. You get for be clean properly. Then they go tell you say for pink. When they mean to say for pink, no say you don't come and then 4-5 thing. They learn you say maybe every week or two for shave. These are the basic things for put you out in the streets. Because then they build you in a platform that anybody you meet in society for able to accommodate you. And the first thing where any human being not they accept na scent. Bad scent. It's very difficult. You will see some man where you know tell you say again the way they make. You understand they tell you say but the way you can appear. But when you come with good smell, the aroma smiles. Like you know bad person, you say that they bad, but when you appear so you get good scent. So now from the nurture in Bokuma like that caller we been say, Bokuma don't understand. So we there for educate them. Whatever place you they go, because you never know certain society they go. People they don't meet spam in married na begging, they don't meet spam party anywhere. So you they package yourself for any point of call, you able for attend to that call. How you do have your appearance, make sure say you shave. Like now so now people begin force yourself, but then you do that. We put it lem cheap, very good. That lem that you rub them under your armpits, you rub them now, you pack them. You understand? They keep you fresh. You understand? Make sure say you wash well. Now you get 2 type of wash. You get a pass sapo with a curb with a curb. You understand? You do wash well. You present yourself well. And not say you forget money. And then say you for be decent. Some man will get too close. But anytime you appear without too close, you shall say it's nice, decent. Even in the footwear. You understand? Maybe you nails them. You ear cut. You don't go just go any kind way, because if you want to let somebody get attracted to you, you go for your appearance. 9 are the key points. Appearance, indecency. You understand? You meet some woman and the man not get all what he take, like we bolo me they say. But the kind way look at they can polish and say no, this man here not to him a level is now get get. You understand? They can give back up because the woman go see say this man are too short to get. But anytime it come to that woman, that short is clean. The woman go pick and say na too short, it clean. And go pick and say no, I dey surprise them. So now make you can see the relationship they build up maybe by surprise. You go say no, this lab battle I want creep. The man self go look and now say lab battle development don't begin take place. So you man, whether you dey go for possible not serious, so in fact say the false woman and I like man where they come off fine safe. The suffer posture and I like man where they come off because that first I gleam, you sabi like where that bright light can come. That bright one, okay, and the light so come before my eye go. So woman are that now, so woman are that elect. Then you got all the lights that way go bling bling, say shake. You see the normal, it is steady. Then they go tell you say, well, this one it can't forward itself. So now then can we the first call point of a human being, man, for make attraction, you get for be decent. You wake in the morning, you learn now every 2 weeks. If you know about the barb, some man can say now fool, learn for shave yourself, get a nice haircut, wash. Now if you don't be use them, try them because one man talk about the cost of living. But when you know left for the feel belly, you feel body back. But how you go manage them two things and buy the lamb? You can wash down, you rub that lamb the. You understand? You the smell because when you sweat out, the lamb strong, you suck all the bad odor them. You understand? You be fresh. Don't if now 2 gin or 1 gin you get, make sure say after you wear 1-2 times, try for book and some man they wear gin 2 months. And no matter where you put them, everybody, yes, anybody like somebody will get good ambience, good smell. When you pass through. You can see someone pass, there's a lot of Mercedes, let not pass the second time. Because that first pass will pass, the one only I don't die. If you reverse back, the one you go that person where they say, I wish this person will go pass so he can pass back. Good smell.
You know, for support when you talk, I know somebody where luckily don't go England now, now be a driver. Now they are take Sabian. Now be driver to somebody. What you see when they tell the person, say, see, you know, say the driver they dress past you. That guy is so neat. He's so decent. When he sit inside the motor car, he always sit up right. They like it today in England and a woman can go.
That's presentation.
He no get nothing, no. Now one woman pala. First now one woman maybe they take try forget one woman pala. But when that guy they work can ask her say, I say you suit up. He say, you want to let me boss pass them myself look funny. You know you get him mentally even though he not get, you understand? But he no say if for look good. And they like it today in England through somebody. You know I made that person pick up something inbuilt the inside him. No, but the means of driving it is slow. When you meet, now make I can say, woman them are so powerful. Now they make up for man. When woman ready for relationship, when woman say are ready for relationship, it works. But you, the man, therefore put yourself in a platform for let it work. When you are decent, the woman they know say this man is decent. First and foremost, now get you know get. How the woman they begin change you? Maybe go begin count gifts. Maybe the woman does say, I give this man 1 polo, they handle and well, they add. I give this man this, they add. And they reach them, the woman, and they push you to a point. If you the man want click safe, you will click say well. The way this woman they do, you look like men go before sit down and move. So first in point, you go for be decent. Then you go for learn. And now the young man the way they come up now. The freestyle, yes, it's fine. But how you go make the freestyle? Make the freestyle with decency. Okay, let's take for instance now. Bolo ya get it red. You understand? When you look bolo in red, you see standard, not so. Other man get that same red. If you pass there, you go say, I beg, let no make the red. So it then in 2 parts, you presentation. How you go do something where you go still get a bushy here, but the way you go do the hair cut, the way you go present yourself, your looks will be very good. And looks they attract so many things. Yeah.
All right. So I want to say right quick before we go.
Okay.
Because that's the way you talk so. you get 2 gin. The woman don't say you the wash up, you the clean now. You understand? Now that first point why is the woman they look for. Woman they look and now say this man, if he can take care of this in 2 gins, this kind of way,
that's it.
I can trust me life to it.
That's it.
Once that serious relationship they talk about, that's the first and most important thing. Now like I said that you can't give one whichever way because some women just love that person with the gangster. So woman it like woman for wearing suit. So woman as you see Raymond no more, you don't fly, but boy, you see that man in Africana, you don't kind of walk some not 6-pack, right? Some not the first pack, some not 1 pack, some not 1 pack, some not a pack at all. Until don't pack. But at the end of the day, being attractive to somebody, first, now they when they watch you, they see what's in their leg. Well, I guarantee you, like what you get, how you present yourself. If that woman, he see you, he say this, the first sign of trouble, this person not going for day for me. He not going for day with you.
All right, okay. You know, we don't talk go, we don't talk calm. The thing and day we want for look at for say how for attract you woman. Bolo don't talk, Raymond don't talk. But something and day when man do the woman is the calm. If the man get confidence by himself, Alex if you no go approach that woman.
Of course, yes.
Like the baby the car.
They reach.
If the man they show say this person a person we caring, he able to take care of situation, but you no need for them explain you trouble to her. He don't provide solution for you.
Security.
The baby there on the day.
Yeah.
So then can see we when a man who will watch, we need for know them. Some man will not know. Like I mean, I also now know that Dana and they teach me.
This is public one.
All that can do research for the show. Now you teach
in advance.
In fact, I can call me to attention by certain things.
Oh, you see the funny thing. There are 2 sides to any for this thing. You might not be teaching, but he's learning. You understand? Now you talk about
so, the lawyer now.
Yeah. The man the lawyer.
Anyway, the man the lawyer.
There. Problem with a call there.
One other area the one I don't we don't forget completely. We have been carried away because of its cleanliness. The other thing I forget again when we woman can look for you for Sabi make love. Before Sabi touch me. Before no side for touch me.
Then part 2.
No.
Then part 2.
No, we don't talk. We don't forget.
Let's say you, woman.
If you no outside for touch me.
Now first one I'm the swell how they can say for set your bet fast foods. Now first time woman them they do. Now the woman bra, like you pochi, you might forget small. This now the decency they make the woman begin like before you go under.
No, decency now. No man say you for no
way touch me.
Because it conversation I with
touch me.
I agree with you.
No, that's another different school. That's the way they talk church show. Naturally, woman came from a mindset, can feel. But woman na touch they make you bring and country.
What I mean touch? I don't mean
physical. I don't mean physical.
Hold on, Raymond. Waiting will they say among the things the way they make man attract a woman. You don't keep yourself clean and waiting. You don't travel. The woman say,
for that woman stay now.
I don't agree with you. You for able for satisfy him in bed. You for able for make love to her. You for able for give him good sex.
Now that's how they talk.
Right now, if only when you give them that good sex, especially at the first time.
Good loving and good spending.
We get a call. No.
We don't learn slogan. You see?
Good loving and good
somebody they teach me, somebody they learn.
All right. Good evening now, Cora. Good evening. Hello. Cora. Okay, we don't miss this, Cora. So, of course, Raymond. But I should say you agree with Diana.
100%. You see, and I think a lot of men, I don't want to generalize and just say African men because obviously we're all different. But a lot of men in general, yeah.
Right, okay. Let's see whether we'll get with this call. Hello, caller. Good evening and welcome to Love Factor. Very well, thank you. How are you too?
Yeah.
How do you enjoy the program?
So woman
approach her, we dey meet her, you get for study her first. The way how you talk to the woman, when you don't talk to the woman, the way how you study the woman, I think you know if na serious woman or not a serious woman. So woman the kissing man, you know get, you know the dress, but when you go now in place, you know say this man, a man wey need, some man dey, you know let or show off. But when you go inside the day, you respect that, you know say this man, the presentable, na him goes. You understand?
Yeah.
The other thing back, relationship, when you don't go by relationship, you know the rush, you get to study both sides.
Okay.
Because appearance will come to, but somebody now will go failing at the post. Who say they live, you know say this person a serious person. Because some man is dressed fine, but he not serious. Some man is dressed fine, he get everything, but he not serious. But when you go now in post, you say, this man I want to take care of this. So now that your own contribution on this.
All right, thank you very much. Thank you very much. That will be the last caller, but the last caller that for the program this net. Bolo, you've been the Concord.
Yeah.
I'm the Concord, 100%.
Because I'm speaking as a woman on behalf of the women. You know, you get. I don't believe say any woman. No, they will want man because by the time you make love to me, don't have to be fulfilled and satisfied.
For the sleep
as an attraction, as a first.
No, you for sleep
as a first attraction.
Yeah, you the one who say, "Wait, don't make love to me." Done. Wait, that word done. Let me to say for sleep. For conquer you.
So I agree with that's why I agree with them because that they happen often.
Yeah.
So sleep.
Yes, animal can sleep because the woman them the you know money your movement in our woman the way they make love to woman, the options are plenty, they're plenty. You understand? So most times now the man ain't sleep. Is she done?
When you say
sleep,
options, sorry, when you say options, what do you mean?
The touch body, for example.
Okay.
If you take this finger for example,
okay.
The amount of side the way they touch human, where they get strong feeling, and the amount of side the way they touch, where they get strong feeling. Human, we know.
Okay.
And that's what I mean.
Okay. Yeah.
So it all comes to that last caller. He talk about paying attention. We don't talk earlier. Pay attention. When you talk to that woman, what are the cuts? What are they reach that point for you actually make love?
Let me take this caller. This is not the benefactor caller.
Benefactor.
Hello. Very well, thank you. How you self did do?
Hello, thank you. I don't listen a lot.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
I don't listen. Anyway, let me just give me a story.
Okay.
I'm a driver.
Yeah.
When I come Freetown 11 January 88, I'm beside my Shell. Right? Like all of my brother they talk. I'm get close, but I will only get 2 trousers for the way. I wear it over 4 months. I get in school, that year school. I get the other school, one of that school be there and no get a prize. Yes. Original man, when I had to get for a bell man, who can go to car wash.
Okay.
Because when I can't live in a heavy duty driver, only finding the car, there is not decent, now I have any motor car. But then I really accept that people near me because taxi about small guys. You know, the small guy at that time was just 36 because then I would probably talk to that. So I really only want to go to the prep, I talk to the fishing, the okay. Where they can't really buy, you cannot get money, you know? But they see me. I do not money, I don't wash around 10, I come around 4, I don't move like go my meals, and this and very close to highway. I green back, I wear the other school back. I mean, the other everything, you know. But no, I mean, just say, no, let's just do that life because I don't use for day, I didn't plan a corner, then the world flat to a rent, to a canal, the 3 cars in a 1 room. None of the other people they know, even the company, they say, well, my hotel, I can that way clean up. You know. So now that she just look me, they feed me. Feed me past 2-3 years. Luckily, me them can catch good job.
Yeah.
One catch good job. Me have a different body. One go I change all thing I do.
Wow.
Good.
But you don't appreciate me. I don't get nothing. Nothing that broke. What that broke? Remember no more man you go buy fish. I tell you fish na 5 cents. We get TV pollock na 10 cents. The money I don't get that. So I can do that in your colleague. And then if there's nobody you can see that you observe. From there I go back, I go I come back. And you know the talk. So for the come. No, like that so much so. What am I position? Perfume no perfume. That's when I black sober with the last. I buy the one na money and the one. 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. That's obvious. I thought in the club.
Thank you.
Woman, if you like decent first, when decent, now you make it the Kenya. Because we can't have one thing together, different with you. The other man is not really problem. Now, I have a problem. When I clap so family rob, I said I go one country. I can't angry one. But puppy drive, my seller did that time. You see? Yeah.
You get something.
Woman, you get what decent first. The money is because now. You know what right now? You never get it, you never get it, people are letting you do it, moment.
All right, okay. Okay, thank you very much for this your contribution.
And I do the closing for myself.
Yeah. Thank you so much, sir. Okay, Raymond, quick one. What you go left with?
My final word to me fambulem. Lewi, if you want for be attracted, you self care for make yourself decent. And the decency not necessarily pass you get money. Just make sure say you present yourself well with the little way you get. Make sure say you clean at all time, you get fine looks. Then the way you talk, the way you approach things, you got to be always calm and see how you go able for communicate with the next person. Because when you get good communication with the next person, then it shows say the decency in you will show more. Because some man can be decent in approach of interaction, not good. So you forget all that quality day, then you will get good output to anybody way you will come about for make your way in life.
Thank you very much.
Bolo.
Still na coca.
Wala mami coca.
Yes, okay, you don't touch body decency. Now, talking about the sex, keeping your woman, because you cannot have a woman, you not to be touch her. No matter how you look, you get you get money all thing.
Na the attraction no.
And that's part of the attraction, not also bolo.
Very important. You see, this is one of the problems. This is one of the problems. For woman, sex is very intimate. It's serious. It involves a lot of things.
It's commitment. It's commitment. Yeah.
For man, they're just hunters. Generally, they're hunters. It's like, okay, I'm hunting. And then when they hunt, it's like, okay, I hope you're not go upset with this. But if you go today, you say you go to bush for go hunt. At the end of the day, you just, you just want to come back with beef. So it might be I get deer today, tomorrow I get cow, tomorrow I get music, go off. Woman they tend not to be that way. So now I'll go back to my last word is you want number one, sabi yourself. Sabi yourself. Meaning we've already talked about the earlier part, packaging. If people that way they grow up, then they tell you, oh, this guy get fine chest or he get fine body, dress for as we go say for showcase that.
Yeah.
You understand? So like you see today, the world is funny today. Now people they get a lot of tattoos. And they see a lot of men and women, but most of women, because he get tattoo like part of his body,
they left it
every single day where he dey dress, if I left that tattoo, they open. And whether you like it, you don't like it, so side the way you go for let you expose certain part of your body according to normal society comment, it's not correct.
Yeah.
So you go see that and you watch say, no, this one na different something. You understand? So know yourself. Know what's attractive to you. Know what people don't they tell you. For me, it's more say, oh, this I like this thing, but you get fine chest, or you get fine hand. Dress for showcase yourself. For woman, for making yourself attractive to woman, show that woman say I understand that. We they talk about making love, for example. Sometimes they watch film. When I don't reach here, the woman, I don't reach at the point to that they get into bed and all that. But when they watch film, watch in reaction. When man behave a certain way, something like the film, watch in reaction. See if that kind of thing they elect. So you go to know and they know say, okay, this na so and so. We don't prove already. That woman say no, they teach you. But you be the lad. You don't be planning for teach you just know. But me I don't lad. What you say? What you say? Big spend, big something. You want to look at this now. Big money, big lover. So you understand? Understand this. No, I don't agree with you, but what I'm saying is not to alter past the woman, they teach you. You, if you have to be attractive to woman, my last thing would be make that woman know say you are the center of me world. Meaning I dey study for you. I dey study for know what you like. So they make love. As what listen, back in the days, me I don't get woman where I know say as I kiss and I'm back no more, all thing done. All thing done, that in back. So study. But not me say when you go to the next one. The commander will just get with pattern like this. For going back. Step 1, step 2.
I'm asking you.
Somebody you kiss when you say back last slide. Which is this guy the part? You understand? So the last one is study the one way you want for find you attractive and do things where you know say you go appreciate.
Quick one. Waiting me go tell you. I want to make you know say all waiting Raymond and Bolo don't talk. No say woman where you want for attract and better one. You for able to make it laugh something day.
Yep.
Once it laugh all time, you will make it fall for you.
You go for
boku way. But tap that not to demand no more for respect man. No woman for respect me. I want make you know say if you self they respect you baby small the baby they die for you. It they give you the game. Now, in fact, now you they become number 110. The baby then say for the help in the kitchen. Manage do something, you know.
For sure,
if you and the baby don't make now, go to kitchen help.
Go below.
Do something. The baby, the guy go to market, turn him back, not afraid, no shame. You they see what in they happen, you know. But I don't want to go left with you because next week, what in they happen. We get another topic where they come up with. Dana, waiting.
No, let me give them your last so that they give topic.
Alright, okay.
My brother them. First of all, family I tell you thank you for when I don't watch the program. But this is a message to my brother them. I know say most of when I don't learn from waiting the man and don't say. And when some of I don't take jottings or some money, you don't clip and quick I don't know. But one thing I want left with you now before they go, all women are to the same.
Yeah.
Like how Bolo say, study the person first. Or if you don't know and talk to people that we don't interact with or we know. You know, with this lady, or say a person you don't study because most men you know like they watch the woman first before you go meet them. We are all not the same. I go like something like I said, I go like bad boy. So tell me other company no go like bad boy. I go like my other boy shaved in beard, you know kind of thing. All man different, but at the same time, carry yourself well. That's all. With topic for next week. Now, does marriage make you complete? Married those where you married because for we man and woman. Now when you married me say you don't turn complete mortal man because a man like you so look down on person we not married, especially with society. Now you go make party with that one, you not married woman, you go get single girl party. When so the single girl get respect self pass the woman we married. Or you man fascinating the single man then. They say okay, oh now for a girlfriend and woman you get woman party them that you don't go keep your man. So like we get issues. You get family member that they say, look when you don't all tell you small one don't married, you not married yet. Does it make you complete? If they don't make you complete, you not a man. It don't mean say you don't give the highest respect in our society. Now we topic Danny for next week.
Alright, okay. So
hot one.
Make I just stiff you. What you go say? Marry they make you complete.
If they make you complete, the right marriage they make you very, very complete. The right marriage.
The right marriage. He said the right marriage they make you very, very complete.
The wrong marriage what they do?
All things scatter.
Alright,
family. For end the program today. Mina Diana
Mina Bami Dele Belly. Captain Bibi. Now then the Russians.
Yes.
Now then the Russians.
Now so we end the program. Good night.
Bye bye.
Higher level when we representing. One thump on the mix. No talk, me tell you this. Turn time.
Records. Fine, bubble them like we. Now then they rush us. All them slay mama slay queens. Now then they rush us. Fine, bubble them like we. Now then they rush us. All them slay mama slay queens. Now then they rush us. The one that with the jeep and the sports car. Now then they rush us. We they eat chicken inside keke. They still they rush us. Fine, bubble them like we. Now then they rush us. All them slay mama slay queens. Now then they rush us. Fine, bubble them like we. Now then they rush us.
Life no go ever sweet without
that thing what we call love. Now that make
No fact, a very good program. Where any big person can